Guys, it's almost time to wake up. Good morning, and I'm going to be showing my morning routine. You're still in the weird part of YouTube.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I thought I'll do a morning routine just like everyone else is doing on YouTube. I know it's a pretty old challenge, but morning routines can be so different from people to people. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. My morning routine isn't crazy. It isn't indoors with all the products. It's very simple, very basic, just like me. So don't keep your high hopes. I don't think you even had hopes on me. So super chill routine. So in the morning, I wake up usually at 5 a.m. That's right, I wake up at 5 a.m. I lay around the bed a bit. The reason I wake up so early is because I've always waken up early in the morning ever since school, because my bus used to come at 6 in the morning. Yeah, so that's the reason I it's kind of like a habit, but you don't have to wake up early. If you wake up late, that's okay. And I wake up around 5, sometimes 6, but just chilling on the bed, going through my Instagram feeds, and then I wake up, and then I brush my teeth, take a shower, because morning shower is important, moisturize, and I usually moisturize with Bath and Body Works lotion. No plug, no endorsement. If you don't have lotion, that's okay. You can totally use a 99 cents lotion, completely fine. I got you. I know you. I've done that as well, so no shade. And yeah, I get dressed because you don't want to go naked outside. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I am a software engineer, like I mentioned, so I go to work in the morning, and my work is about 10 miles from where I stay, so I drive there. I'm not going to be doing a vlog to where I work. I'm not sure if you guys are interested. If you're interested, comment down below and I'll do a vlog at work. It's a very private place, so I can't really shoot over there, but I'll just show you around if you're interested. It's a very boring setup, but you never know. So this is my morning routine exactly: brushing, showering, dressing, and on Saturdays I drink chocolate milk. I start my day with drinking chocolate milk, and that's pretty much it, guys. Very basic, very boring, normal person. So that's about it.
So, like any normal person, my morning routine involves brushing my teeth, taking a shower, and that's pretty much it. I don't really drink anything in the morning. Yeah. So, normal morning routine. Nothing fancy. No sponsored plug, so it's just as real as it gets. Yeah.
So as part of my morning routine, I drink milk every day. That's right, you heard that right. Milk, not coffee, not tea, milk. And what milk do I drink? Well, I'm glad you asked, because I lead a vegan lifestyle, and I drink Good Karma flax milk. Plug. Actually, it's not a sponsored video. I wish they can sponsor me, because I've been talking about them since like every video, but this is what I drink. This is great because I am trying to lead a vegan lifestyle. So it has I'm gonna show it right there. It has 1 carbohydrate, no sugar, no fiber, no potassium. I mean, having fiber is good, and fat is 2 grams, and saturated fats are 0. So this is great, guys, and it's only 25 calories. That's because of the carb, but it is great. And I've tried almond milk. I've tried, those are my dirty dishes, I'm just gonna pan over them. Yeah, I've tried almond milk. I've tried cashews are nice. I've tried soy is the worst. So yeah, they do sell vanilla flavor as well, but it's a little more sweet, and I'm trying to cut down on sugar. So yeah, it's been great. So I'm just gonna make myself hot chocolate. I just said I'm gonna cut down sugar and I'm making a hot chocolate. Well, you can't really cut down sugar, but try my bit. So I'm just gonna show my famous recipe of hot chocolate. So first, you need yourself Swiss Miss chocolate.
just this. It's in a cashew box because my mom put them in because there was very little. I do try to incorporate that for flavor because I love chocolate. But if you want to drink it plain, I do drink flax milk plain as well. But today I'm feeling kind of fancy, so I'm gonna make myself some flax milk. So take a microwavable container and just pour yourself some flax milk. There you go. Put it in. I know this video is gonna be super annoying, but it is what it is. My tripod kind of broke, so I've ordered one on Amazon. So I use like 1 teaspoon of it. I think it's a teaspoon. It's a tablespoon. Whatever. Probably another half. And today's Saturday, and on Saturday I try to make myself a little bit of fancy stuff. So yeah. So I'm just gonna put it in. I'm just gonna show you vertically. This is the Swiss Miss chocolate mix. You get them for really cheap. I think you get like a huge bin. I think it's about 32 ounces or something. I'm not sure. I'll let you be the judge, but you do get them for really cheap, so they're not very expensive. And you might know that I'm super cheap, so yeah. So I just put them in, and it's cold milk, so cold milk doesn't dissolve, so I have to like microwave it. If you like cold milk, you can like whip it really well. So I'm just whipping it, and I'll put it in the microwave, and you can see that it'll be like dissolved. So if you I like sometimes eat the chunk. It's nice and fun, but I'm just gonna put it in the microwave for now. So I'm just gonna put it in. There you go. And then it's already set for 18 seconds. I'm just gonna reset that and put it for like 45. I don't like it too hot because then there's no point. I mean, hot chocolates are supposed to be hot, but it's like if it's like too hot, then you gotta make it warm, and you know, it defeats the whole purpose, guys. So yep. I don't really eat breakfast like I mentioned in my previous videos. That's because I'm trying to lead a fasting lifestyle. But today, like I said, Saturday is kind of my break day, or I don't like to call it cheat day because I don't eat anything exorbitant amount of food. But I do eat food. I don't fast, so I wouldn't call it a cheat day. But yeah, given that I do eat a bit of processed food, so yeah, so this is my meal. I'm just waiting for the timer, literally. Okay, cool, awesome. And then you remove it from the microwave, duh. And then I have coconut oil because I use coconut oil for like literally everything. So now you see that it's dissolved, sort of. And that's the correct amount of heat that I need. If your microwave doesn't have the high heat function, you can keep it for a minute. Anything more than a minute, I would say it's gonna be burning hard, and you need to like wait for it to like chill, and then by the time you're bored and you're snacking on something else. So I wouldn't do that. So this is my very famous hot chocolate milk. It's super easy, super cheap, and super light on your pocket. You can also use whole milk and whatever milk you prefer. You don't have to lead a vegan lifestyle like I do. Yeah, I like flax milk because it's great. It's got a great flavor. It tastes the most like normal milk, and it's great. That's about it. And I also heard that if you drink flax milk, your hair grows really thick. So I want her to be thick. So that's the reason I'm drinking flax milk. But if that's not okay for you, that's totally fine. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, do whatever. I am super thankful to all my subscribers. You mean the world to me. And that is all, y'all. Do subscribe, leave a like, leave down your comments on what should I do next. And I love you a lot. A lot, a lot, a lot. So that is all. Bye!